here we go to the Coinbase. They made a couple kind and relatable tweets about it with a gentle reference to Leash'd. Of course, we are looking forward to expanded extension for our upcoming and growing economy for the people and for everybody around the globe. If he parks a lot, loves his leash, leads an army, he's not your man. He's a Shib, the newest token on Coinbase. What about Leash and Bone? And then Shibarium. Since we are not single, not taken, but open to a relationship. That's a good one for more. Along with that, every one of us is of course looking forward to lower gas fees on Ethereum, and recently Vitalik tweeted that we need to move NFTs to layer 2, and that will ease the pain with gas fees when you imagine that those services which are consuming the most of the gas will be chipped with layer 2. That will be another step to happier people making more transactions. And speaking of NFTs, Shib NFT collection is upcoming. There have been multiple hints about utility for lease related to NFTs during the past few weeks, and I'm truly looking forward to that. I have a couple NFT related things up in my sleeve, but you know, remember, Leash is something yet to be unleashed with NFTs. Along with the active army, we can really imagine more utilization for upcoming ship related events and the perks related to it. I got an idea, and not speaking of my own NFT collections, which have been for a long time, over a year in the makings on the idea level, since I'm looking forward to NFTs in a way which could expand a scene. For example, whether it's in a book, you could expand that view with an NFT, and then people would even be able to recall the scene and event with the mnemonics of that NFT. I have been idealizing that kind of utility. Well, we will see later. When, you know, the utilization of layer 2 with lower gas fees and so forth gets truly going, then there will be a lot more possibilities to do with NFTs. And you know, that is really going to be the next revolution of web, digital assets and digitalization. Earlier on this channel we have talked about it, and more to come. Keep the vision bright. You know, let's keep us together. Woof.
Oh, kiitoradalle, valmiina lentoon. Sä haluut mut kiitoradalle.